Yo, what is going on, guys? I am making another YouTube video for you guys today. Now, I have got some, sound effects that I'm going to put in my videos. So be aware of that. I'm just letting you guys know. Sorry about that right there. I play my football chin straps rubbing, and I don't like that. And I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. Now, I'm sitting down on my couch. And, I'm going to put one of the sound effects in the video. One of my favorites. And I hope you guys really enjoy. I wouldn't be able to get these sound effects if it wasn't for JJ Allman. Go subscribe to him. And, yeah. Call of Duty video. Maybe tonight. Hope you guys really do enjoy this video.